morning, friends. Good morning. Myself is Nirmal Ghosh here with you all. My 24th letter of motivation dictionary, 24th alphabet, and that is X. And X means accelerate your efforts, friend. Accelerate your efforts. You have the all power within yourself. So boost up your effort to reach your goal. Boost up yourself. You can do everything, each and everything you can do, friend. Believe me. And if not me, then believe the others great people who have reached that level, friend. This is why I have come here with the 24th letter of motivation dictionary, that is X. Friends, you have to accelerate your effort, and for to do that, you have to make a burning desire. A burning desire you have to do. Desire and burning desire, there is a difference. Can I tell you a story from Ramakrishna Kathamrita? Yes, you have given me permission to tell that story. Do you know Thakur Ramakrishna? Thakur Ramakrishna, I think everybody you know. Thakur Ramakrishna is a great monk from Bengal, and he is respected all over the world and in India also. So friend, Swami Vivekananda was his disciple. Actually, without Thakur Ramakrishna, Vivekananda, we cannot see Vivekananda. Vivekananda would never evolve, because Vivekananda, the unorganized Vivekananda, Thakur Ramakrishna converted the unorganized Vivekananda to an organized one, a great spiritual leader. He boosted up. Ramakrishna boosted up all the powers of Vivekananda, and he became a furnace of intelligence. He became a giant intelligent people of the world. He conquered over the heart of the people of America. And in Chicago speech, he proved his intelligence over spirituality. He proved his intelligence about the truth of life. And he was respected so much that in every leading newspaper of the world at that time, his speeches were printed. So that Vivekananda was disciple of Thakur Ramakrishna. So I am telling the story of Thakur Ramakrishna. Actually, one day Thakur Ramakrishna was meditating in Dakshineshwar Kali Mandir. He would reside there. Hriday was his cousin. The Hriday came to Thakur Ramakrishna and told, "Hey Thakur, can you see God?" Thakur says, "Yes, I can see God. As I am seeing you, I am seeing same the God as just like you. You are before me, God is also before me. Whenever I want to see, I see God." Hriday became astonished, but I could not see God. I meditate so strongly, so sincerely, so honestly. Morning, noon, afternoon, evening, I follow your word, but cannot see God. Then Ramakrishna said, "You have desire to see God, but you do not have that burning desire." Hriday said, "No, Thakur, I have burning desire to see God, but in spite of that, I cannot see God." Ramakrishna did not tell him anything that time. He just smiled. 1 or 2 or 3 days after, Ramakrishna was ready for taking bath in the pond beside Dakshineshwar temple. He was taking a cloth, and he was just going to the pond, and he moved into the pond, and in a half chest water, he was standing into the pond. Suddenly Hriday was going by there, and Thakur Ramakrishna called him, "Hey Hriday, come here. Hriday said, "No Thakur, I am going to a work." Thakur said, No, come here. Hriday came down, and he was hesitating to go to the water, but Thakur insisted him to come to him. And Hriday go to the close to the Thakur, and into that half chest level water. Suddenly Thakur Ramakrishna hold the hairs of the Hriday and head of the Hriday and put his head into the water, down the water forcefully. Forcefully he put his head into the water, and Hriday was suffocating below the water. He was just wanted to take breath above the water, but Thakur did not allow him until 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, Thakur just raised his head and allowed him to take breath. And Hriday was just gasping for breath. He was gasping for breath, and he was doing then Thakur asked him, Hriday, how much you feeling? How you feeling under the water? Hriday said, Thakur, what did you do? What did you do? I was just cursing. I was just lacking of breathing. I was just lacking of air there. I was wanting air that time, breathing that time. Tremendously, Thakur, tremendously. That I at that time, nothing was in my mind. Thakur said, that time you have the burning desire to take breathing, isn't it? Hriday understands. Hriday said, yes, Thakur, not desire, that was burning desire, because without that I would die. So I desired it to save my life. Thakur said, yes, Hriday, this is called burning desire. When you think about God, when you meditate about God in such a way that without God your life will be destroyed, you will die. You will die just like a lover, just like a boyfriend wants his girlfriend in a young age, or a girlfriend for a boyfriend, a boyfriend wants a girlfriend in such a way that without his presence he will die, or without her presence the boyfriend will die, or without his presence the girlfriend will die. That burning desire, that type of burning desire you are wanting under the water for the air, for the breathing, that type of burning desire you need to get a God. You just meditate in such a way that you cannot live without God. You cannot live without God, and then only you can see the God. This is the message of the story, is that burning desire means without which you cannot live. So friend, you just plan, you just take your goal, you just write your goal in a place in your room and focus on it, and you day, night, in every time you just think about it and accelerate your effort, accelerate your desire, make your desire as a burning desire in the furnace of your passion and hard work, and one day you will see that you have reached your goal. Friends, use your mind as a strong mind, use your mind as a tool. You use your tool. You do not attach with your mind. Then a mind will make you a servant, and it will see you some negative stories, etc., etc., etc. So detach your mind, from your mind. Just use your mind whenever it is required and focus on now. I am telling in earlier videos also, and I will tell in future videos also. I will take a class over it, regarding the power of now in my future videos. But this is not the video to tell about. So just touching the matter. Just focus on now. Use mind as a tool and accelerate your effort. You live in soul, the Brahma, where every power exists. Where every power exists, and feel it. See the videos, motivational videos of spiritual gurus and etc., who would say you the real thing of life, just like Swami Vivekananda, just like Sadhguru, etc. How much I can say. Thakur Ramakrishna said that the more the opinions, the more the way to reach the God. He respected all the religions. He told that every religion say the same thing. Every basic thing of all religions, the basic thing of every religion is same. That is, They told the guide you the way to reach the same God. And so more the religions, so more the way to reach the God. So always take life as positive. Always accept others' opinion. Because others' opinion, judging others' opinion, you will just take the milk from water, just like a bird, just like a horse, just like a bird, just like a horse, which just took the original milk from when a milk is mixed up with water, the bird, the horse, the hangso जो होता है ना, वो hangso just take the water out from the milk, and just only it takes out the milk. So you have to hear everything, everybody's opinion, and take the positive things from that and apply this in your life, friends. Apply this in your life, and then you will become the Paramhansa like Ram Thakur Ramakrishna. You will become the Paramhansa. Why he is Paramhansa? Because in spite of living in this so complex society, so complex our sansar, which I can tell in Bengal and in Hindi also, that living in this complex, in dirty society, he just live like a Paramhansa, just a Hansa. The Hansa will take the original milk from a mixture of milk and water. He can segregate, he can separate milk. He has the quality to do that. The Hansa has the quality to do that. And Thakur Ramakrishna also has the quality to take the truth from the dirty things, just like a fish who lives in a mud. But he takes breath. The fishes which live in muds, but they live because they can take breath within that mud. You have to be that. You have to take the purified water. You have to breathe purified air from the complex society, from different opinion, and just put it into yourself, in your memory, in your unlimited GB, and use and apply it for your life. You have to take target in that level if you want to reach that level. If you want to reach that level, you have to take target in that level, and you have to accelerate effort for that level, and this is the way you have to reach. You can reach in that level. So friends, your effort should be accelerated in such a way that you can reach the goal which is higher your goal. So friend, I will not long this video more, and I am giving just this message that you have to accelerate your effort to reach the goal, just like Paramahansa, with the knowledge of Paramahansa, who can separate water and milk. And you have to also separate from different opinions. The positive thinking you have to take out and use it in your life, friends. I will take class more about this. This is just I am discussing about the basic things of motivation, friends. And I am completed the 24th letter of motivation, 24th alphabet, that is X. Coming soon with my 25th letter of motivation, 25th alphabet, that is Y. Till then, stay healthy, stay positive, and try to become great like other great people, like Madonna, like Lata Mangeshkar, like Sachin Tendulkar, like Bill Gates, like Jobs. So many names I will call. They all accelerate their effort, and their goal was this, and they tried for this, and that was the secret of their success. So friend, I'm not long anymore. Till then, I'll come back soon with my 25th letter of motivation, that is Y. Until then, goodbye, stay well, stay healthy, friends. Goodbye.